instantly creates 100 folders with individual names in seconds using Excel list. If you are asked to create a directory for 100 newly posted teachers, including their names within seconds, it must seem like a daunting task, but with the right steps, you can accomplish it quickly. Don't worry, with TechTricksGh, guys, you are covered. In this tutorial, we will use the simple batch file creation method to create these directories in seconds. Start by creating a column header labeled directory in a spreadsheet, then fill in the first entry with the teacher's name, for example, MD Isaac _Opoku. To quickly fill the rest of the names of the teaching staff, use the shortcut Ctrl Enter. Once you have the full list of the names, copy all the entries in the directory column and paste them into Notepad. In Notepad, save the file as a batch file by clicking File, then Save As. Name the file New Teaching Staff.bat and click Save. To run the batch file, go to the file location and double-click on the batch file. This action will instantly create 100 folders with individual teachers' names. There you have it. The folders have been created in seconds. For more tips and tricks, follow TechTricksGh. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the latest tutorials.